I have not received any communication.
Okay.
But I have been given to been informed by reliable sources that my complaint about the Aldona property, where the ex-chief secretary, Mr. Goel, was the owner, I had filed a case to say that it is falling in the no development zone. Without serving me any show cause notice, they have rejected my complaint. This complaint I will definitely challenge in the NGT. But the chairman, who is also the ex-chief secretary, who has now left Goa, he has done this very blatantly, having no respect for natural justice without hearing me, has rejected. This is how they do it. Even the Arpara nightclub that is burnt, similarly, the chairman, which is also an ex-chief secretary, had said that that does not fall in the no development zone. Me, when the naked eye can tell you that it is the salt mine.